Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today we are solving MMath paper MMA Solutions 2025. So consider the equation. Here we are being provided with a number. So the number of the real root of this equation, the polynomial equation being x to the power 7 plus 4x to the power 5 plus 2x cube plus x plus 1 is 0. So let's denote the polynomial then. So it's fx is equals to x to the power 7 plus 4x to the power 5 plus 2x cube plus x plus 1. So we have to check that if fx is odd or even, and then we have to do. So here first we test the symmetry. So we test symmetry. So then f of minus x is minus x to the power 7 plus 4 minus x to the power 5 plus 2 minus x cube plus minus x plus 1. So that is minus x to the power 7 minus 4x to the power 5 minus 2x cube minus x plus 1. So from this what we can say, f of minus x is equal to minus of fx plus 2. So the function is neither even nor odd. So now what we will do, we will try the rational root theorem. So the rational root theorem, the possible rational roots will be they are factors of constant terms. So we will test x is equal to minus 1. So then f of minus 1 is minus 1 to the power 7 plus 4 minus 1 to the power 5 plus 2 minus 1 cube plus minus 1 plus 1. So it comes to minus 7, which is not equals to 0. So now again we will try f is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 9. Again it is not equal to 0. So no rational root among plus minus 1. Now Descartes' rule of signs we will try. So Descartes' rule of sign for fx is equal to fx is equal to x plus 1. So here all coefficients are positive and no sign changes. So 0 positive real roots. Now for f of minus x, we already computed, it is x of 7 minus 4x to the power 5 minus 2x cube minus x plus 1. So what are the signs? Minus, 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 plus. So 4 sign changes. So by Descartes' rule, number of negative real roots will be 4 or 2 or 0. So now finally the intermediate value theorem I will see. So in the intermediate value theorem, we will use the sign change. So f of minus 1 is minus 7 and f of 0 is 1. So sign change, that means 1 real root. So that is in minus 1 and 0. So f of minus 1 is minus 7 and f of 0 is 1. So sign change, 1 real root in minus 1, 0. Okay. So now we will also plot or factor, isn't it's helping easily. But since these cards give at most 4 negative roots and all other roots are complex, and we know that the degree is 7. So the maximum number of real roots will be 7, but from Descartes' rule, 0 positive real roots and less than equals to 4 negative real roots. So the number of real roots must be odd. So now we will use the function and derivative. Like fx is x to the power 7 plus 4x5 So next time you are being given question, you can do every possible method and easily. And f prime x will be 7x6 plus 20x4 plus 6x square plus 1, that is greater than 0, given x represents real. So because every term is strictly positive for any x not equals to 0, so fx is strictly increasing. And it must have exactly one real root belonging to minus and plus. So your correct option is option 1.